भाषा पे चलते हैं हम। चलिए आशु जी, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज
I would like to proceed this into English language.
You want to introduce yourself in English because you selected English language.
Yeah.
So introduce yourself.
My name is Ashushi. I am from Bihar. I currently live in South Central. My father is Nikhil. My mother is Sri. She is a housewife. And my family belongs to a very simple. My family belongs to very simple nature. And my aim is to become a very big businessman who works for all over the country in enterprises.
So you want to become a businessman, right?
Yeah. Famous businessman.
Famous businessman. And you want to explore your business all over the world.
Yeah.
So at this time,
Yes.
you think that what is your business perspective and in which field you want to business?
My business perspective is very simple. First of all, I would like to analyze and channelize that what's the need of current situation of all over the country, my country, our surroundings or any other surroundings. What's the basically need that after lockdown, what's the circumstances what people actually want. And after in catching this in my mind, I will think what should I do, which type of business should I run that it will never end in the future. And this is the biggest reason that this type of business I want to start. And I will not just stop with only one business. When I will succeed in one business, I will also look for another. That's what means enterprise. Enterprise. That's why I use the word enterprise. Enterprise is the word who deals in every sector. Yes. So that's my perspective that I will dedicate to my one dream in business. Then I will slowly another then more one business of other branches, then another business of other branches, then I want also that day that my company's IPO will be launched in the whole country. Well, also.
You want to become a businessman, and if I know that you are a student of mathematics 11th class, right? So why you not choose your grades just like commerce and just like arts? In which sector you want to go? Why you choose mathematics? Why you choose to science? Why you choose to this stream?
So I beg your pardon, but I didn't get you.
Why you choose your stream science?
Why I've chosen science is my interest in commerce. Basically, my always interest was in commerce, and I also want to choose commerce. But there was a point of time when I was left my school, and when I went for admission for another school, they asked me for which stream, and I also told them commerce. But later, when my father discussed with my uncle, who is in education field, my uncle convinced my father that commerce is good, but it is not good as comparison to science. Because the science perspective student can do whatever he wants in any stream, and he will also get another type of respect, fame. But I didn't consider that topic in my mind, because there is a word mean interest. Interest is that thing like it doesn't follow any stream, like even if you are from art student, you are from commerce student, you are from science student. If you have the caliber, then you can make your name, and you can make your name. It doesn't matter that if you will take science, that you can achieve very good things, because I have also seen many examples that people are taking science but they don't know, they have the zero value. And now I'm getting to my answer that why I have taken science, because science is a subject you have to do more struggle. Science is a subject you can't understand in one day. You have to give time, you have to give practice. And that what I linked science to commerce, that in business you have to have patience. You have to analyze what's the graph, and when you will do science, you have done a very lot of calculations. When you have done 1,000 of calculation, again you have get the wrong answer. This is the point where you get the patient and increasement that no, you will do again this solution, and this patient will give me the situation in where I can achieve the results.
In one sentence, you want to say that first of all, Your uncle convinced your father, right? Convinced your father.
My uncle convinced my father to take science, and my father convinced
And
not.
you convince yourself that science is the better stream to anyone.
No, no, I didn't concern my science is better stream to anyone. I just simply concerned that taking any stream doesn't mean taking a particular stream doesn't mean you can't get a knowledge of other streams. Like if I am a student of science student, then I can why I cannot get the knowledge of commerce student. I will become inspiration from other student like yes, he is a from science student, but he has a commerce knowledge also. He has increasing his skills in commerce students also. Like it doesn't mean that if you are taking science only you can increase it in science. You can also increase in other sectors also. This is the point I want to make myself inspiration.
Today you already led about 1 minute approximately.
1 minute 52 seconds.
You know what is the meaning of punctuality?
Yes, sir.
Explain the word punctuality because in earlier in classes.
Punctuality is a word defined.
First, I want to clarify a question. In classes, you always not punctual. You daily late approx 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, approx 30 minutes. Right?
5
You think that this is the negative aspects for you, that negative marking as well as any field if you want to go and if you want get success in your life as well as your career. Definitely this is the bad thing as well as negative aspects for your life. You think? And what is the meaning of punctuality?
First of all, I will define punctuality. Punctuality is a term which defines that how a person can be punctual and how many types of it can be punctual. Like punctuality shows you that you are punctual or not. Basically, in simple sentence, punctuality is a formal word, and that's it.
That's it. Punctually, how affect in your personal career as well as you?
Punctuality, how affect my personal career? Punctuality is very important. First of all, when it's not about an interview, but whenever if you are being called to anywhere, if you are not punctual, it simply indicates that you are not serious to that thing.
How can affect punctuality upon you?
Of punctuality affect me in good way or bad way? First of all, there is not any bad way of punctuality, because how punctual you are, people will think how good you are and how serious to your work. And how punctuality affect me in a good way, that punctuality is good, quite good, and being punctual shows you that you are dedicated to your thing. You are not compromising your dream to any other things while getting late. So your punctuality shows you that you are that thing is very important to you.
Means that if you are not punctual, someone thinks that you are not dedicated to your work, right? This types of thing could say.
Someone is also okay, but somewhere I will also think that I'm not good at anything, or I'm not serious to anything.
Means that you accept that you are not serious to anything if you are not punctual, right?
Yeah, if I will not punctual, then it simply means I am not serious to anything.
What do you think about yourself, that you are good about punctual or not?
Basically, I have a very simple mindset. I considered where I have to go, and is that place is important for me.
So you
then
think that the class is
yeah,
not
I
important
would-
for you, and that's why you getting late daily by daily 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes.
My answer is not finished.
Alright, yeah, come first.
Yes. First of all, I used to think what happen every day. What's today's topic? How? I know that I am being late every day about 15 to 20 minutes, and it's very bad habit. And it's very bad habit. And you asked me that why I'm not serious to that thing. So I compare things. Like according to me, this interview is more important than my coaching classes, because this interview makes me show to my teacher or interviewer that how good I am, and I compare that if I what I have to study in what I have to study today, what I have to study today, which topic is to be today gonna be discussed. Do I have knowledge about that topic or not? If I have knowledge, somewhere I show lack of innocence that no, I shouldn't be get on time. That's why sometimes not. So more time I get.
So why you late here today 1 minute?
When around 8:58 I was on my way. So on my way, on right hand side is a medical store. Is the medical store. On there, in front of the store there was Activa and it was started, and a child was sitting on that Activa. So I consulted his father that you should switch off the Activa. By chance, if he accelerated, he can be get harmed. So by convincing in these 2 or 3 minutes, I got late.
Alright. How can you convince all the students that you are better than anyone?
Convincing means like
Means that if someone asks
Yes.
that why you choose Ashu, how can he is the perfect unique student of 74 Institute? How can you explain and how can I explain that he is the better one? That's why I selected.
first of all, the person who asked also know that what he has done wrong. He also know what his bad points, where his marks has been deducted, and then he will also compare me. And then after he has a proper right that what's the better thing in me. So this is the first factor, that first he will see himself or herself, then compare to me what I have says, what I have said, and what's my and matches his answer to my answer, and where he was wrong, where I was right. This is the first factor. And the another factor is I believe that convincing is not a very good thing. Instead of convincing or instead of proving, you should improve yourself. If he asks me that why I am good institute of this student, I will definitely somewhere not say that but why I am good student. I firstly say that firstly you think that why you have not getting that point. Why you want to focus on me? You have to think about yourself. What mistake you have done? It means that you simply want that if you are comparing me, you want me to convince you that why I have first position. It means simply you are comparison. You don't want yourself to be improved. You want yourself to be get first only. So this is the second factor and second negative point, that he wants only comparison. He don't want to understand that why I was first and why he has been disqualified. And the another third factor is when what I will say while convincing him. So I will definitely say that him or her that competition is not a big thing. So you have to understand the circumstances, which circumstances, rounds, in what round you have, what you have to do, and you have to give your 100%. You don't have to think like he is giving 100%, he is giving 200%. His marks, how many marks he has get, how many marks he has get. No, you have to give your 100%. How you can have to study hard. You have to give your 100%, and you should think that where and at the end of the thing you shouldn't think that in 100 marks you have got 98. You should always think that where have been your 2 marks deducted. Students don't do this. They think that I have 98 marks, they have 99 marks. So what's the negative factor? Why I couldn't score more marks than his marks? So basically all over my answer is that firstly I will not convince him. I will convince that you should think yourself that why you have not been selected. Then after that I will convince again that why I have been qualified.
If I will ask that what is the 4 main points? 4 main points. Only in words, not in sentence. You explain. You need to explain. Only what is the 4 points that you are eligible for 74 Institute Unique Student, and you are also better than anyone. What is the 4 major points?
Mindset.
Right? Then
positive thought, punctuality.
but you have no punctuality.
Yeah.
You have.
Because you can compare me as I am explaining the point, I am not telling the point. Like my third point was punctuality. This is you said I am not punctual. This is I am a bit explaining two sentences. You can compare me as per you also know that in that interview is quite more important that
But
coaching.
today is also you late 1 minute. How can I accept that you are punctual?
Sir, the reason why I got it, I have told you. And
But you never come at a time, at your given time, anyway.
yeah, I know this is my major factor, and I will assure you that after that interview, I will make sure that I will not repeat this mistake again. And my fourth point is behaviorness,
Sorry.
respect.
Alright. Means that you have positive
Mindset,
only mindset.
good mindset.
Good mindset.
In good mindset, it doesn't include environment. Only good mindset.
Right.
And second point is positive thought.
Positive.
No negative thought, only positive thought.
Right.
And my third point is punctuality. Third point is punctuality. And my fourth point is but I haven't told you, respect. And respect and oblique, not comparing myself to others.
Yeah. You want to say something about your feedback and that you think that you have made mistake.
I think what according to me I have made less mistakes, but according to you only you know that how many mistakes I have done. And in feedback I would like to say you that someday you think I am not punctual, but why I am always trying to say you that I am punctual. So this could be a factor that make my negative point, but this could be another good factor that being late. But I am saying that no, I am also good at punctual. This point shows that how positive I am even in bad condition or even in wrong condition. That's it.
Thank you so much.
I said disappoint because this is the only bigger factor that I worked hard to get in round 3. Like you gave another students another circumstances or situations, like if you are having this type of situation, like you asked
You want to feedback, right?
no, I don't want to feedback. Like you asked Jyoti that she is very helpful. She is very helpful, and if she has only 2,000 rupees, his friend's brother illness is more than his brother's illness, then what she will do? This is a situation, and you targeted her mind that what she will reply. And same thing you asked from Jia. So that was, I was supposing that you asked from me also, that because I also want.
Depends upon a student to student
Yeah,
how
this,
great answer.
yeah, but this is the point I want to know myself, that how deep I can think. But that's okay.
Alright. It depends upon a student, it depends upon scenario, and depends on what student think, right? If I getting more and more questions that I am not satisfied, right? That's the main reason. Right? Are you getting my point?
Means having less questions means you are being satisfied.